Good morning folks, if you're on there, my name is James, how you do, and welcome to today's vlog. This is going on two channels. My main James Eccles Transport and Vlogs and J&M Travel, Transport and Chat Show, but not while later on in the future for there. I have mentioned on that channel that I will be uploading more videos on there. If it's just only me for travelling, I will put up there. Don't know about Morgan. If it's me and Morgan, definitely will be up there. It's just like, as I said, if it's me travelling to Mexborough, go up to Shaun's, York, wherever, basically me travelling, there will be a vlog on there. But anyways, it is Thursday. The rest of the date is in the description down below with everything else as well. Yeah, that's information about today, last day of the last weekend vlog, social medias, other channels, and the 5 steps where you can take if you're watching from James Eccles Transport and Vlogs. But if you're watching from J&M Travel and Transport and Chat Show, information will be in the description as well. It's a different layout to my main channel. So it is 08:19. There you go. And today will be going up to Chapel Town / Green, up to Shaun's to play trains. So this week for this week I'm taking my 47 up with my Pullman coaches. None over my coaches, but just Pullman. I may borrow some of Shaun's coaches as well, what's in the Pullman livery, and can do a down your train. So we're gonna no steam today, no 56 because that doesn't run with any wagons anymore. Just showing peace. Yeah. We'll be putting the locals in bags short there. Then I'll be going downstairs. Having a cup of tea, and then thinking about setting off. About 9:30, and I'm going to walk down for the bus down to Sainsbury's, or just outside Sainsbury's on Halifax Road. So the 135 up to Shaun's. Spend a couple of hours up at Shaun's, and then we'll be getting the 4:46, I think, bus back home. Back up this end, walk up, go home about 5:30 if it's on time, and then transfer all the clips over, pictures here for taking it, and put them on computer, and then drops a good one. I will be taking my battery. I'm taking both my battery packs, my big and the small black one. What I got in, what I keep in my bag. I'm going to take my earphones as well, so I can listen to some music. And then I'll probably put them on charge when I get back. And just chill out for the rest of the night. Transfer, as I said, transfer clips over and pictures, and then the numbering them, and then I'm on my way. But on that being said, I'm going on. I'll speak to you all in a bit. If not out, then up at Shaun's. I want to see what buses I get today. I'm not even checked the bus tracker today as yet, but I will do. So I'll catch you all in a bit. So enjoy. Yeah, Thursday.
stuck up. It's coming out fucking big old mop.
Don't worry if you get them mixed up, because it's not really.
Yeah, right, no, you got plenty of them already.
Yeah. That one, that was costing 33 quid.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Well, when?
If you do get any of mine mixed up with yours, don't let it worry you. It's an accident. It's going to happen.
between now. So what kind of number shall we have?
21:17. It is the time. There's a cup of the week, and alright, that is for the Jubilee bus. 2 down, a few more to go. I'm just transferring these over because I want to make some room for Train Simulator. So, let's put you guys down. Perfect or not perfect? That is the question. Try downloading it again. That looks better. So, that's done. I'll come on to that in a second. So, got up, got ready, put my models, my 47 and a few of my coaching stock, aka the Norman or the Pullman carriages, into my bag to take up to Shaun's. Then let's do 10. Good. And then had a cup of tea. It's full bagger. It's two at a time this time, so I know where I'm up to. I'll see how much space is left. Suit 2. So as you know, this week only has been the cup of the week. So, and then about 9:30 it set it off with music going. I don't want to listen to some music while basically walking on. And yeah, use every space up on this stick for now. Might get some more later. That's another 2. And it was off about just after 9:30. Had a walk on to Sainsbury's to meet up with the supposed to be the 10:04 135 to Chapeltown / High Green, but that hasn't worked out as planned because it was running naturally over half an hour, but it was quite late. But I need to let me just check what time it was. But when I was on bus, I sent Shaun a message saying I'm on the bus, and that was about 10:30 when it arrived ish. And then Facebook and so forth. So about 10:30 it came, got on bus, had a trip up to Shaun's as planned. Got to Shaun's about a couple of minutes behind me. Josh has arrived. I think he don't mind his name getting called out. He hasn't been in the vlogs. His voice been in the vlogs / transport videos, and that's it. But he hasn't been actually physically in the vlog. So we've chilled out for a bit, playing trains while on strike, and then try to think what else. Then try to think what else have we done. Why? Try to think what else. Then we went up to me and Steve. One of Shaun's friends went up to Chippy for lunch. Me and Steve came back with our lunch. Had our lunch, and then Steve left after we had a little chat and had a cup of tea / drink, and then he went. There were mostly me, Shaun and Josh. But we've just been running trains, did a bit of filming of the transport. Don't really want to film in front of Josh just as he doesn't want to be on the video, and he was in the room as well as, and etc. Good. Try to think what else. A few hours later, packed trains away. Josh has done the same because he rung his trains up as well. Try this. Then so what's it? Basically got the 4:45 bus, and that comes on to my next subject. After my bus was running a few minutes late, I had a chance to get or to film the number 1 from High Green to, I think it was going to Jordanthorpe, I think, towards Baxmore way. It was 15660, the Jubilee bus. So that's why I ticked it off. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 more. But there's a Doncaster one as well. But I don't know the Doncaster off by heart. If Sam phones, I may ask him to see if he knows. Josh did say I'll come through for what he said. But there's 2 down, 5 more to go. So yeah, that could be next week. Next Thursday or probably following Saturday. Wait, we may this Saturday, we may go to at.ish Gala, but I don't know yet. But we will see. So yeah. What else? What time we got? Gone after 10 minutes. If you are still here, don't forget there will be a full weekend vlog. So there won't be any daily vlogs this weekend. It's just going to be the full weekend vlog on Monday at 5 PM UK time. And then same with my rest of my vlogs and whatnot. So yeah. Saturday I haven't got all planned to film except for a update Saturday or whatever, or thinking about it now and before I go to bed and filming it when not. And Sunday will be a one tech Sunday, and it's going to be about football fixtures for the 2022-2023 season. We'll be kicking off I think on the 30th of July, basically next month. So yeah. But anyways, I'm supposed to get on as I have gone, coming up to 12 minutes. It is 12 minutes now. 12 minutes, there we go. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new, my name is James. I do everything you need to know. The description down below. That's information about today, the last vlog, all that good stuff, with everything else as well. That's if you're watching from James or J&M Travel, Transport and Chat Show as well as. And if you're watching from James Eccles Transport and Vlogs, there's no new subs. I've actually lost one new sub, or one sub. Yeah, I don't know why. And no comments. Last one was 5 days ago, and it was from Jonathan. But thank you so much. I will see you all over weekend. If not, then I'll see you next week for another lot of daily vlogs. So have a good day. Bye.